Yeah, Sportage. This is my nice fancy gloves. But we're going to be taking on this timing chain, and we're going to be changing the oil pump, chain, and guides. So here we have the oil light start flashing. So that's our oil pump across there in the box. We have our tools and all of our stuff in the back here. So we're gonna, right, so this, all of this is the chain and the guide and all of those things in the back here. So we're gonna be functioning. So of course you also have a Tesla here that's giving some problems that we're gonna be dealing with. So look out for us, you know, we're functioning. Right, but again, oil light is on, flashing, is I'm knocking in the engine. You catch it early, so we're gonna change the oil pump. We're gonna see what this engine looks like and we're gonna function from there. So check us out. Working on the Kia Sportage again here this morning, and we've taken off the water pump pulley, we've taken off all the power steering pump. Right, we're going to take off the cover here because we're going to have to remove this chain, and we're going to have to, well, we took off the manifold and so on. We did that yesterday, but of course today we took off the oil sump. And if you notice inside of the sump here, you notice those, it's so rough it's looking. So all of these roughness here, that's not rough, that is actually, as you see it here, that's gum. Again, poor service, maintenance. Yeah, you know, sometimes people, the way that they use the wrong oil, or they don't change the oil when they're supposed to change it. So if it's in the pan, most likely it got in the oil pump. And if you look, this is the oil pump in front here. If you look at the bottom of it, you may not be able to see, it's a little dark, but when I take it out, you'll look at it, you would see that definitely there is some gummy stuff in there, and that will definitely cause the pump to clog and fail. So we're going to change that, and well, right now we're just waiting to take off this bolt, because this bolt is giving some trouble. So we are charging our mech tool across here. It's a electric tool that helps break those bolts. Right, we're going to deal with that, and we're going to see. That's the battery for our cordless gun or ratchet. So we're going to take that out. This is how it comes out of the oil itself, gummy. So again, this is poor service, not servicing the vehicle on time causes this. So sometimes it's not servicing it, or sometimes it's those who are supposed to service not doing it properly. But nevertheless, it's what it is, right? So we're gonna have to take this pan and carry it and clean it out, and we'll have to add some treatments in the engine where we put that new pump in to see if we can get that problem away. But you know, we're gonna solve it. So here it is, old chain, new guides. Right, we didn't change the oil pump guides because the oil pump guides, but we have new chain here. Right, and you can see it's on the, let me show you the marks. So to the bottom here, there's a gold dot. See that dot there by the gold chain there? That dot, that's the mark for the bottom. And if you look at here, there's also a dot right there by that gold dot, and there's another dot on the other. Yeah, you won't be able to see it. By the way, but so the timing is on, valves overlap, and we're going to start mounting back the components. I'm going to turn the engine just to make sure, and then we're going to start mounting our covers, pan, and so on. So in 40 minutes or so, we should be closing up where we start today. So here we are. We have done the diagnosis. The vehicle is running, idling. We just have a little pump noise, but the vehicle is idling. So here it is, another successful job. One day marathon from morning till evening. Dashboard. Yeah, so look out for us. We're outside. You have gas, diesel, hybrid, electric vehicles, anything that you have given problems, check us out, problem will be solved.